Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to keep your site private on Wix. This is particularly useful if you're still building your website, testing features, or simply want to control who can access your content before making it public. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear from these options. Click on Website. This will take you to the overview page where you can manage your site's visibility settings. Now that you're on this page, take a moment to preview the website settings displayed. It's important to confirm that this is indeed the website you wish to keep private, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Double-checking ensures you're making changes to the correct project. On this page, look for your website's status section. To make your site private, you'll want to ensure it's set to unpublished status. If you notice that it currently shows as published, you'll need to click on Design Site to access the editor page where we can adjust the settings accordingly. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. From here, locate the Site Settings button positioned at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal an expanded menu with various options. Within this menu, look for the Unpublish option and click on it. This action will immediately unpublish your website, effectively making it private and inaccessible to the general public. Once you've done this, head back to your Wix dashboard to complete the final step. Back on your dashboard, return to the Sites and Mobile App menu on the left side. This time, look for the SEO and GEO option and click on it. This section controls how search engines interact with your site. Scroll down the page until you find the SEO settings area. Under the SEO settings, you'll see a toggle button labeled Let Search Engines Index Your Site. Turn this toggle off. This ensures that even if someone tries to find your site through Google or other search engines, it won't appear in search results, adding an extra layer of privacy to your unpublished site. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now completely private and hidden from both direct visitors and search engines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.